From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Well, good morning. I'm student meteorologist Tucker Antico, and taking a look outside right now over Nittany Valley, you're going to notice that there's actually fog closer to the ground, though it's sunnier up high. So if you're outside, you're going to notice this fog, though once it burns off, we're going to have some nice clear skies, and this is going to be something we're going to watch for the rest of the day. Temperatures right now are 57 in the valley. The visibility is slightly lowered and the wind is calm. So it's actually not a bad start, though it's a little bit chillier than it has been the past couple of days. And you're going to notice this across the region as well. Throughout the rest of the state, again, a little chillier, though warming up quickly as we move into the afternoon. You're going to see this warm air flow in from the west. Pittsburgh actually reaching 84 by this afternoon, and Erie even reaching 80 degrees. As we go overnight, temperatures remain fairly mild, but tomorrow is where it really picks up and moves further into our area. State College, close to 80 tomorrow. Pittsburgh, again, mid-80s. That's probably going to be the warmest place you're going to be. And Philadelphia and Allentown, up in the upper 70s, so really nice weather across the state. But I wanted you to watch really closely because we're going to have a cold front move through, and you're going to notice it right here as it moves across the state westward, leaving cooler temperatures Saturday morning and throughout the rest of the weekend. Here's a look at our satellite now. And like I mentioned, once this fog burns off, really not a lot of clouds in the sky. Very clear, nothing for me to really mention. And as we move into the next 24 hours and into Friday, you're going to notice that clouds may build into the region and a few showers I can't rule out overnight into Friday morning before the real storm is moving into the area. And you're going to see this first round begin Friday afternoon around 4 o'clock in the State College area. Then the next real round comes in with this cold front. You can see this really well-defined line of storms. This is what we're watching for the chance of severe weather, though I don't want to commit to that too far yet because these storms may break up before they get here. You're going to want to stay tuned and watch as this happens and plays out. You're going to see it eventually exit overnight Saturday, and this is why it's going to be cooler during the day. Worth noting that the Storm Prediction Center does have us in most of the state in a slight risk for severe weather. This would mainly be for just strong winds. And as I mentioned before, you're going to want to watch closely and stay tuned with us as we keep you updated on the potential threats. Now today, temperatures reaching 78 degrees, a mix of sun and clouds, so fairly nice and light winds, so really not a lot to complain about. Tomorrow is where we look at the chance for afternoon storms. It's going to be warm, and we're going to have the wind out of the south at 5 to 10 miles per hour, may even get up a little bit higher if there's not a lot of clouds or storms in the afternoon. So 80 is definitely not out of the question. And now look at your 7-day forecast. You can see that this really warm weather comes into play Thursday, Friday, and as I mentioned, Saturday and Sunday cool off a little bit. And this is going to be that more fall-like trend that we're going to watch into early next week. Sunday and Monday, Tuesday are going to be in the mid-60s for the most part, even some showers on Tuesday, before clearing up in the middle of next week. And actually, I'd like to mention that overnight, Sunday into Monday, we may see low temperatures reach the upper 40s, which is something we haven't seen yet this year. So fall is certainly on the way, but if you enjoy that, you can definitely expect this nicer weather to come once these storms are out. From the Campus Weather Service, I'm meteorologist Tucker Antico. Have a great afternoon.